Hello, my name is Shyla Beatty, and I am in Council Bluffs, Iowa. I just wanted to let you know that I have found GetSetUp to be an awesome program. It was provided to me through my insurance, which is Medicare and Silver Sneakers. And I have learned so much through this program. Um, the benefits I have found so far have helped me with stability in standing. I am a stroke survivor. Also, learning lots of healthy benefit or healthy eating and healthy snacks to eat. And I've learned how to apply makeup and how to operate my computer and some things to look out as far as spam. So many wonderful programs. So enjoy.